Welcome back to Bike Insider, your trusted source for all things motorcycles. Today we dive into one of the most anticipated bikes of the year, the Royal Enfield Bear 650. Known for its heritage and commitment to producing simple yet robust motorcycles, Royal Enfield has made waves in the motorcycling community with its 650cc lineup. The Bear 650 is the latest addition combining power, style, and reliability. Let's explore everything this bike brings to the table. Design and styling, rugged yet refined. Royal Enfield has a unique knack for blending old-school charm with modern aesthetics, and the Bear 650 is no exception. The bike's design is a perfect mix of rugged adventure tourer elements and classic retro appeal. The muscular tank, minimalistic bodywork, and signature round headlight create a sense of timelessness, while the overall stance promises durability on various terrains. The upright seating position ensures both comfort and control, making it suitable for long rides as well as daily commutes. The Bear 650 is also equipped with a large windshield and handguards, signaling its intent to tackle tough weather conditions and rough trails. The bike sits high off the ground, offering a commanding view of the road ahead, and its slightly knobby tires suggest it's ready for adventure, whether on asphalt or off-road paths. Engine performance, the heart of the beast. At the heart of the Bear 650 is the tried-and-true 648cc parallel twin engine that Royal Enfield introduced with the Interceptor and Continental GT. This engine is renowned for its smooth power delivery, low-end torque, and reliability. Producing around 47 horsepower and 52 Nm of torque, it provides enough grunt to handle highways with ease while remaining manageable in city traffic. The dual cradle frame ensures stability even at high speeds, while the engine's smoothness enhances ride comfort. What sets the Bear 650 apart from its siblings is the slight tweaking of its engine mapping, giving it a more adventure-focused feel with better low to mid-range performance. This means more control when taking on challenging off-road conditions or steep inclines. Suspension and handling, built for comfort and versatility. The Bear 656 comes with a long travel suspension setup that is designed to handle bumpy roads and uneven terrains effortlessly. The front telescopic forks and rear gas